In this video series, we will make the models of the car designers who contributed to the Champions project, interactive using SimLab Composer. The first task of the series is to make the hood of this car interactive. The interactivity will allow us to open and close the hood. If you notice, the origin of the hood cover is right in the center. When I move it, we can see that it doesn't open properly. What we need to do is to change the origin. To adjust the origin point, we need to head over to the Move menu section. Once there, we'll find the Pivot Tools menu, and then we select Snap Pivot. This enables us to capture a new origin point for your object. To move the origin to the top edge of the hood, we select Pick Edge Endpoint from the Select Object menu. We zoom in to see the edge better. When we select the edge, you can see that the origin has been moved to New. When we move the hood again now, we can see that it is as desired. We should animate the hood to open at a specific angle within a set time frame by accessing the Animation tab. We adjust the timeline to 40 frames and then define the hood's opening angle as 45 degrees. By sliding the timeline within this range, we can observe the hood opening and closing. We select all keyframes to select all keys of the animation. Then we select Create Animation Sequence to turn the selected frames into an animation sequence. Since we also want an animation of the hood closing, we check Create Reverse. Now we will make the hood interactive using the animation sequences we created. First, we control the sequences by accessing the Sequence tab. When we select the hood component from the Scene Browser panel, we see the Properties panel on the right side. From this panel, we go to the Object Actions menu and select the Multi-Actions option. From here, we will add our animation sequences to the action list. In the Action dialog window, we select Play Sequence as the action type, and then select and confirm the hood opening sequence. We repeat the same process for the hood closing sequence. In the last step, we will test the project. For this, we navigate to the SimLab VR Viewer menu and select the Show in Viewer option. Then we select the desktop mode and enter the VR environment. Similar to gaming controls, we utilize the WASD keys on the keyboard for movement. To open and close the hood, we interact with the mouse. Elevate your customer experience with VR using SimLab Composer. For more information, contact us.